Hello, my name is Jeet from Programmer Society, and today I am going to share some tips and tricks for the beginner programmers or the students who are learning programming new or who are planning to start programming. This video is for them only. So let's begin. Okay, so our first trick is to not actually to programming. Actually, before starting to learn any of the languages, any of the computer languages, I think or the thing that helped me a lot in this journey of programming is learning algorithms and flowcharts. Yeah, it seems to be a very easy, but algorithms you are going to that is going to help you a lot in your programming journey. But this algorithm and flowchart uh, clears your basic idea about programming, the logics, which comes after what, and if you can master means if you can learn algorithms and flowcharts good, it's just a point of syntax in every language, and you are good to go to do any coding on any languages are far from a syntax away. So our first tip was to be to learn the algorithms and flowcharts. So moving to our next tip. So our next tip uh, is to choose a perfect language for programming. So choosing a perfect language is very 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 important. Actually, you can choose any of them, any of the language according to which you are going to do your rest of the job. Means if suppose for example if you are going to be a software developer, so I think C++ or Python, they are going to help you a lot. If you are going to be a website developer, so JavaScript, Python, they are going to help you. If you are going in the game development industry, so C sharp, C++, they are going to help you. So the different uh, platforms has a different language base, so you can choose on which the language in which you are going to go, like, yeah, I have given you some examples, so choose a language according to your choice. Okay, so moving to our third tip. Our third tip is very simple. So our third tip is, um, do projects more and more. Means do not stop writing or doing projects. Do for your leisure, means pleasure, for fun. Do projects. Never stop doing projects. So you can contribute to open source. Yeah, one of my video is coming how to contribute in open source. So wait for that. And you can do open source through GitHub, and or you can do some simple projects for your own, some tasks that you are facing problem, so try to fix that tasks with the programming languages that you have learned. And yeah, not wait for funding or any type of jobs, just do programmings. And if you have to complete any projects, upload it to your GitHub account. Yeah, that's a very good thing which I have not done in my beginning. So I have lost many of my codes, and later when I carried through, I've forgotten that codes, and yeah, I have to start from the scratch again. So okay, so our fourth tip is learn how to Google or how to ask people when you are stuck at any point. So learning how to Google is very simple. So type write a program, then type the language, like write a program on Python, then give the question, like, suppose write a program on Python how to find the Fibonacci series. So you will get, there are many websites like Geek for Geeks and many other which are doing great, which are supplying codes for a long, like Stack Overflow and many others. and ask. Never hesitate to ask anyone. Nowadays you can ask me also in my Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the video. Okay. And any creator or influencer on Instagram who are related, who know coding, you can ask. I think most of them will answer you, uh, if you ask them in the right way. Okay. So learn how to Google and how to ask. So here is our fifth tip. Our fifth tip is never give up. Yeah. So when you come to this world of programming, you will be tired up by having errors and errors. Once in my one of my program, for a single bracket, my 30 lines of code were error, and I mistakenly deleted all that, and later I found that I have not given a bracket. So yeah, never give up while coding, and never think of giving up for just some syntax error, because till date I have not learned. Means now also I forgot syntax, and I Google it for, yeah, it's for all Googles it. No one remembers all the syntaxes, so never give up. And I think this some of the tips are going to help you a lot in your journey. So subscribe to my channel if you like this video, like it, and share to your friends who are planning to come in this programming world, or is beginner. So thank you.